Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We're back with another video here this morning. We have a pull cage that we're back at one of our customers' houses. We did his driveway and sidewalk, and now he wants his pull cage done as well. So let me take you a walk back and show you what we got. The outside's not too terrible. Inside, it's got a lot of green algae growth. There's some weeds growing up through the bottom here. And just needs a good cleaning, that's all. Alright, so that's our job here this morning, so let's get moving. Okay, so we're all done here. I'll show you what it looks like now. So much better. All clean and bright. All the green algae's gone. We rinsed off the pull deck. At some point, I'm sure we'll be back to seal these pavers. They're just kind of getting to the point where this sealer's wearing off, and it's about time for them to be resealed again. But at any rate, so that's what we're looking at. So we're all finished up here. We're off to our next job. We'll see you there. All right, so here we are at our second job today. We have a pull cage and a pull deck, and then just a couple little touch-up items around the house. So around the front, we're going to hit these little paver stones for her here, and then hit some of the dark stuff up on the gutters. And get those cleaned up, and then the soffits up here, we're gonna get those a little bit too. We're not doing a full house wash. You can kind of see paint starting to oxidize. There's some light and dark patches coming down from somebody previously cleaning. And then we're back here at the pull cage. Alright, so we got the pull cage back here. We're going to clean the pavers, hit the actual pull cage, and then hit the back of the house here. These pavers really need to be sealed bad, but it's just not in the budget right now. But at any rate, so we'll get it all cleaned up. I don't know if you can see there's spider webs up here in the corner, so we'll get all that cleaned up as well. All right, so that's our project for here. We'll get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. I'll take you back and show you what it looks like. First of all the soffits turned out really nice. All right, so we're back here at the cage. All came nice. Pavers look cleaner. They still need to be sanded and sealed, but it's not in the budget. It's not in the budget. So, anyway, all right. So that's this job here. We will see you at the next one. Hey, just as a reminder, if you're liking these videos and you're enjoying the content that we're putting out, please hit the like and subscribe button. It just helps us with our algorithm, and it helps me know that you guys are still out there and enjoying the videos. If you have any requests for any special videos, just make a comment below, put it in there, and we'll certainly try to accommodate you. All right, well, this is Bill from Supreme Pressure Washing. Thanks for watching.